Yeah, how about manufacturing operations? I'm curious about that as well. You give some examples in the book, like how does AI help in the manufacturing process if you're a business manager, or executive, or an operations person?
Yeah, in a few ways. One is in the manufacturing line itself.
Hmm.
So there can be lots of defects in manufactured products,
Hmm.
and the human eye may not be able to detect the really small defects, like we can see things that are large enough for us to see. And we often miss things because we are sometimes distracted and we are being called into different meetings. But the AI system can see really minuscule abnormalities in the form of images. So by feeding it images of the product, it can detect, hey, there's a defect here and there's a defect here.
Hmm.
So by doing this, you are proactively finding the defects in the manufacturing line. So, and you're preventing it from going down further the manufacturing line. So so there'll be less returns from customers. There'll be less remanufactured parts. So you're going to save lots in terms of revenues just by proactively detecting defects early on. That's one use of AI in manufacturing. And
Fascinating. Keep
yeah,
going.
another use is in trying to predict when a machine is going to fail.
Okay.
So just by looking at historical parameters of the machine and when it failed, you can preemptively predict failures that are going to happen. So what the company can then do is maybe schedule maintenance at a time where no manufacturing is happening, as opposed to interrupting the whole manufacturing line, which costs them millions of dollars in lost revenues. So AI has a lot of power in manufacturing.
It does. Now, as I said earlier, if you're a smaller business and you're looking to leverage some of
Mhm.
that automation, even in the manufacturing process, I mean, my recommendation is to go to your, if you have manufacturing software already,
Yes.
Dynamics or Sage or Epicor
Mhm.
or something like that. I think it's a pretty good bet that those people are developing these solutions, and you
Correct.
should,
Mhm.
right, you should probably be going to them and saying, what do you have?